In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face recognition on this smartphone. First of all, just open Settings and scroll down right away. Now tap on Security and choose Face Unlock. After that, enter your current screen lock and then choose Enroll Face. Now read all of those disclaimers and choose Next. After that, remember to keep your face in frame. It might take a couple of minutes. Finally, after a long while, you can tap on one of those options to stop the best one for you. Swipe up to unlock after the screen lights up, press the power button to unlock directly, or press the power button to unlock and stay on the lock screen. I will go with the first one. Then tap on Done. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!